Welcome to the channel, Green Country Custom Baits. I get asked all the time, what is one of your most popular patterns that you do? Well, if that's in wiggle warts or any old storm baits, it's got to be the V63. As you can see, we have got them lined up over here. These are going up north Pennsylvania. So V63, let's go spray some paint. All right, let's get to the V63. Super popular, original color on the pre-wrap side of things. So definitely a fish catcher, clear water situations. In fact, right now in the spring, with a little bit with the orange belly that it has, dude, this thing can be fire, man. So, oh, that's my red. I've got all my brushes loaded up. So we're gonna do 2 coats of our green here. The big thing on this pattern to look for is leave that white down there at the bottom. Don't cover it up. Heat set back a little darker than top. I've already done these other 10. So now we got the fluorescent orange. We're going to do 3 coats. It's warm today. I think this is setting up on me. We got a little clog or something going on. Get it flowing again. Not flowing real good. Drying quick. 90 degrees today. 90 damn degrees. Maybe 95. Supposed to get to 94, 95. Set a record here. Monday, which was, this is Saturday, March whatever. Yeah, we're starting to get a little better. Monday it's freezing, below freezing. Same thing, don't get up here and cover your white up. Stay down the belly. Bright, bright color. All right. Okay. Now we got our little stencil. We're going to lay down our black. I tell you what, we're getting tip dry. We're getting it all going on today. This is why I'm wanting to move this booth inside, where I could be a little more consistent with my paint. I've got to get all these orders done before I can start constructing a new paint booth and table and all that inside. black down the back. Kind of do her eyes. On the wiggle boards, I like to go with the 6.5 millimeter. And I'm going to spray them. Again, we're just dipping the nail, head of a nail in. What I've always used, there's some sponges and different things you could do, but I'm used to doing that. I can't remember. These are all pre-Rapala. You can see the wiggle wart written underneath it. I'm going to tell you what, this guy in Pennsylvania that sent me these are some nice, expensive wiggle warts, square stamped. I've been over that before in a video. Those are my favorite ones. Favorite hunting crankbaits. So anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. V64 color match, done several times. Thought I'd give an updated to my channel, an update to this particular deal. So if you're looking for that, you don't have to scroll back through the years. But anyway, appreciate everybody stopping in and watching the channel. Leave me comments down at the bottom. Tell me how you like this and if you use this particular color pattern still in your lakes, or is this just an Ozark deal? So, and a Pennsylvania deal, apparently. Until next week, Green Country Custom Baits signing out.